everybody, welcome to my channel. I want to do a quick video just to give everyone an update on my previous week eating keto-like and using intermittent fasting. So one thing is that I say eating keto-like because I don't, you could look at the previous video I did, but I'm not like straight gung-ho keto, like ketosis, ketones, checking urine. I don't do that because I would call myself more of an intuitive eater. I learned that about myself this week. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull up, well, let's go back to how my week went. My past week, I worked out, I think 4 days last week. 1 day of cardio, the other days were lifting. And then food-wise, still sticking to intermittent fasting. Like I said, I think for the most part that just works with my schedule. I have an 8-hour eating window. This week I want to take it down to 6 and see how I do with that. But it's been working out really well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my measurements for this week. I took them actually yesterday, and I will put them on the screen for you to see. Once you pull them up and read them. I'm not very happy about them. We'll say that now, but yeah. So, okay. So, let's scroll down here. So, just as a refresher, last week my waist was 31.5. My thigh measured at 23 inches. My calf measured at 15.5. My hip was a 40 inch, and my pooch, which is the area above the hips but below the belly button, I had a C-section, so I call it a pooch. It's at 36.5, and that always fluctuates with water weight gain, eating water weight gain and eating having like a lot of sodium. So this week's measurements were 31.5 for my waist, 23 inches for my thigh, 41 inches for my hips, 15.5 for my calf, and 36.5 for my pooch. So apparently my hips grew a whole inch this week. Like, what the heck? Now I do squats. I had 2 leg days last week. I don't know if that's where that's from, but I don't know. I don't weigh myself. I haven't weighed myself this previous week, so I'm not sure if I actually gained any weight. I will, maybe when I go to the gym, I'll show you a body shot and see if there's any differences that you might see or I might see. I don't know. But yeah, that is my recap for this week. The plan going forward this week is to, like I said, close my intermittent fasting window to maybe 6 hours a day. Start eating it from 1 or 2 to 8 instead of 12 to 8. And I want to stick to more of a clean eating schedule, more paleo-like. I will say it is 4th of July week, so yeah, we'll see how that goes with that. I don't know. I think I will eat intuitively on the 4th of July, but besides that, let's see how this goes. So thank you for watching, and I will stick a clip of what I look like. I'm actually in front of the gym right now, and I was like, let me just make this video right now so I can let the people know how I wouldn't call it fail, but I did not make any progress this week. But I learned, so that's some progress, right? So anyway, I'm gonna go now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, so this was me inside the gym, and this is what I look like. I actually did weigh myself after this. I went to Publix and I weighed myself, and I did not gain a pound or lose a pound, which is always a great thing. So yeah.